Git cherry-pick is a command that you can use to select one or more commits from another branch and copy them into your existing branch. I'm going to show you how to use it and when to use it as well. In this setup, I've created a branch develop from my master branch. Okay, and typically in your applications, you would need a branch like master for your production environment and a branch like develop for your testing environment. Okay, so those are the normal naming conventions for these branches. And after that, I'm going to, from develop, create two separate branches. Okay, so here you can click on develop and click on a new branch. Okay, using the GUI. And here I'm going to create a branch. I'm going to call it, for example, feature/news. Okay, create feature news. And let's actually just modify this file for this branch with the news feature, for example. Okay. After that, add your changes, commit your changes, add news feature, and push your changes as well. I'm going to leave those changes at the feature news branch. And after we've pushed these changes, we're going to go back to our develop branch. And from our develop branch, we're going to create another branch and we're going to call it feature/about. Okay. Maybe you're creating an about page in your application. And here we're just going to add a new string right there, just to simulate adding a feature for this branch. Okay. So here we're going to write about feature. And in the terminal, we're going to add this file to be tracked by Git. We're going to commit it with add about feature. And we're going to push our changes. Okay. And after that, we're going to go back to our develop branch and we're going to pull both of our branches, okay, into the develop branch. So you can do that from the GUI as well if you want. Go to git pull and here just write feature news. Okay, click on pull. That's our news feature. And after that, pull again for our feature about branch. Okay, click on pull. And there we have our two features. Okay, let's go ahead and push our changes. So now what we have is two separate features merged into our develop branch for testing. Okay, let's say for our production environment, we decided to go with our news feature right now and leave our about feature for later. But if I pull, let's check out to our master branch first. If I pull develop into master, both of those features will be available on master, but that's not what I want. Okay, I only want the news feature and not the about feature. So what I can do in this case is to use this cherry pick feature. Okay, so open your Git tab here at the bottom left, right behind my face. And here you can see the add news feature and the add about feature. Okay, if you right click on the add news feature and right there you have the cherry pick option. Okay, if we click on that option, as you can see, this add news feature commit is now on our master branch. Okay, here you can see that change. And if you go into your strings.xml file, as you can see, you don't have that about feature. Okay, and this is very useful in production applications, especially when you want to just take a single feature and move it to production. Or for example, if you have a certain bug fix, which is merged into develop, and you want to take it to production without taking the other features as well. Okay, so keep that in mind. Those are the two most important use cases for using the git cherry-pick command. You can also cherry-pick more than one commit at a time. Okay, in your Git tab right there, if you click on Add News feature and Control left click on another commit right there, as you can see, multiple commits are highlighted. And if you click right click on that selection, you can see you have the option to cherry pick as well. Okay, and if you do that, both of these commits will be on the master branch. Okay, so keep that in mind. And you can also do this in your terminal. Okay, so we cherry picked our news feature with the GUI. Let's cherry pick our about feature with the terminal. Okay, so you would need the revision number for this commit. You can right click on the commit and copy revision number right there. Okay, and in your terminal right there, you can clear and write git cherry dash pick and paste that revision number right there. Okay, if I click on enter, as you can see, one file changed, and that's our strings file. Okay, there you can see our new feature added also through the cherry pick command. Okay, if you like my type of content and you find it to be relatable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next video.